So, Jamaicans were beggy beggy. When we reach Jamaica, you know, the whole heap of, yo, my general, walk on, and they make you feel good, because you say, blood clot, them respect me, my youth, them call me general. And the first thing you hear after that is what? Walk beggy a thing now. Yo! Walk beggy, them just kill my spirit, man. Walk beggy a thing again, everybody. Thanks for subscribing, or if you're not subscribed yet, go and subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, that's what us Jamaicans say. So if you're not a Jamaican, you don't understand what I'm saying, because a lot of people been coming on here and saying, what language is this guy speaking? If you're not a Jamaican, or if you're not a Jamaican, go. If you're not subscribed yet means, if you have not subscribed as yet, Jamaican on the pardon me twanging. Anyway, I beggy Jamaican people will come to talk about today SouFLoTV. If you have not subscribed as yet, please go and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in to SouFLoTV. I am your host with the most. Alright, so, people, when I remember when $5 was given, gratitude and thanks was shown? Not anymore. Them I ask for iPhone nowadays, and $100 is nothing. You can't believe this? What they don't know is that most of us don't have iPhones, and minimum wage workers break their back on the job 8, 9, 10 hours for the day and still don't make that $100. Alright? See, some never ask, right? Like me personally, let me say this first. For all of the Jamaican them, especially the one them in my family, I don't want you to watch this video and think that you may have talk about. Because I know you may have talk about, I'm talking about people that beg, and now get up and try to do nothing for themselves. I'm not talk about you. The one them will hold it out. The one them will don't beg unless it's very necessary, like a last resort. Them people, they get the fullest respect. Not only do they get the fullest respect, they make you feel like say you want to give them everything. You know what I say? And one time you give them everything and you feel like you want to give them even more because they never ask for nothing. And in reality, we know it's a life hard. And we know it's a life in Jamaica is even harder at times when it comes to finances. I have people in my family too that have graduated recently from UWI, University of the West Indies, for those of you who don't know what UWI means. 23 years old, 22 years old, with a bachelor's, and I go up on a master's, and them thing there, and they don't have no outlet for their education. You know what I say? People in America will graduate high school, and just have a high school diploma, and make way more money than those family members of mine that I'm speaking about. So we don't talk about those people. We know some things and times ration. But my God, man, some of the beg family and friends. The only time them link you is when them want beg you something. So it's like me they are foreign, the phone I ring, I'ma see that number then. 1-876 me not answer. Here why me not answer. Did I not answer the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 58th time? Yes. And every friggin' time I answer for the first 50 times. What go on? Yeah man, me there, you know what, brethren? How far did I treat you? Boy, I can't complain enough. That's me. Here what I get for the next end. Boy, life rough down here, no dog. Can't send me something. Can send me something. Can send me something. Yo, and that's the only reason they call you, you know. Them not call you for say, what? How you doing? Everything alright? Come here watch the news. I see some things that go on the news and I just want to make sure say you're alright, you know. I just want to make sure say you're good. You come this summer? Or you come this Christmas? What you want when you come? What the first thing you want to eat when you come you can cook it and have it ready for you when you reach. None of them things there. Every time them call them want iPhone, them want couple hundred US. They don't want, yo, I'm big up the people of England because them want talk about them want pounds, but them not say them want 50 pound or 100 pound. Them want talk about hundreds, you know. Things where we don't even have people. So may I say, beggy Jamaicans, una fi tap it, una fi stop it. You hear me? Because none of them have it like that, you know. And the people that I blame are the people who go home, go show off. Let me give you an example. Johnny come a foreign. Johnny they are foreign about 4 or 5 years. Johnny they are foreign, I work 2 jobs. Not 2 good jobs, you know. One of them, in my flip burger at daytime at Burger King. In the night time, in my clean floor and clean people house with Sanders Cleaning Company. 2 minimum wage job. Still not equal 1 regular career field yet. Alright, here what Johnny do. Johnny make sure say him save up family money. So when time come to go home, and Johnny go home every year. So the neighborhood and the community can look forward to say Johnny I come this summer or Johnny I come this Christmas. And when Johnny come, I'll be a blood cleat splurging. I'll be a rent a car and this a party and how much buckler popped up and them thing there and the most girls and then Johnny fly out again. What them not tell you is this. You see when they come back a foreign, you see, or when them reach back a foreign, eviction notice them on them door. The job people them both to fire them because them and say, yo, you stay 1 extra day over and we had to find other people to fill your spot. And them kind yo, the thing mad. You know me I say man, me blame them people there. Me blame them people there for fool up the people them. Cause them go down there and then make the people them feel like say people not sleep on floor or people not sleep on street or foreign. Them go down there and make people feel like say foreign is paved. Now when I say foreign, I talk about Canada, I talk about England, I talk about United States of America, I talk about other countries in Europe where you're going to find Caribbean people, Jamaicans in particular. When time we go home, I blame the one them will go home, go show off, and make the people them really feel say foreign is a bed of roses. So them expect we to be able to give them everything. How else can I explain? My little cousin asked me for an iPhone in 2016. iPhone? I don't even own an iPhone. But she's asking me for an iPhone. My God. Most Jamaicans have it good and they don't even appreciate it. And this is when I realized that. You see, last year when I went to Jamaica, when I get up in my grandparents' house, and I look out of the window, and I see the tree them, I see breadfruit, I see the ackee tree, I see ackee, I see yam, yellow yam everywhere, white yam everywhere. I see food, I see pig pen full of pig, I see chicken coop full of chicken, more than 100 chicken. My people are my farmers still. You know, my Jamaican people, them not understand, especially the ones that have never left Jamaica before, them not understand. Fruit depend tree in Jamaica. Fruit not depend tree are foreign. So when you go there and you pick kneesberry, star apple, rose apple, pineapple, regular apple, banana, oranges, grapefruit, ackee, breadfruit, name it, them have it, them pick it, them name it. And they depend on their own land and it don't cost them a dime. Can I tell you, say 1 can of ackee, which part me there, at $13, $14, $15 US dollars for 1 can of ackee, you know? And when you bust it up, about 12 ackee or less than that. Let me see. 4 in a pod. About 6 or 8 ackee in a head. And a $12 you pay for that. So we who wake up a foreign every morning and want with regular ackee and saltfish for breakfast. It not happen. We who wake up a foreign and want piece of yellow yam for yam. A luxury food that for we. Cause yellow yam is very expensive here. Nobody talk about all the exotic fruits when we just name. When you have in your backyard. If we take you outside right now and turn the camera so, and Texas me there right now, right? You will see about 1 million trees. Not one of the tree them have not one fruit on it. And them have the tree, you know. And the tree supposed to bear fruit, you know. But for show you which part we live in, you know. These people make sure that you will have to go and support the local grocery stores. Because I don't know if I spray the thing. Because I say plane a fly over every day and I say Lord God, because if it a kill the tree them so and I kill the soil and I make the soil can't even grow food. And the tree them grow and the tree them look pretty and still can't bear the fruit. Orange tree now bear no orange. Apple tree pretty and now bear no apple. Me I say, yo, if you don't even know what we go through, just to be able to send on one like a 50 US, one like a 100 US. Like I said before, people there work them 2 jobs. Work out them soul case like my granny used to say. Even the one them where I work 1 job, when them send you 100 US, I whole heap of money that. Because them work 8, 9 and 10 hours today. 10 hours straight. And you still not make the $100 there. So for you to take up 100 and put in a one letter, or send it go Western Union and then Western Union charge you $18, $15, $14 more for send it. My God. And then it's not appreciated. Like, them look upon you like this. Little measly $100. Alright. Like it's not even a thank you. You know what I say? Beggy Jamaicans. Uno fi tap it. Uno fi stop it. No fun no have it way better than your family when they are foreign. I mean, I care how them a brandish it on you. And I go on like say them really have it like that. Trust me when I tell you, they don't have it like that. They pretend a lot, but they don't have it like that. Living in foreign can barely afford most of the things that you have in the Caribbean, especially in Jamaica. We can't afford it. We have to see it and pass it. We have to see yellow yam and pass it. We have to see ackee and pass it. And we now get fresh ackee, we get ackee in a can. Ackee we say them can it up from 2012 and 2016 and now we are bust the can open for eat some ackee. And I don't know what really are going. Virgin said to me earlier when I was making this video, and said, SouFlo, so you understand now why when we reach down there, we go lock up in at the resort. Me and my girl go lock up in at the resort. Or me and my wife and my picnic them go lock a married man with him picnic them and him wife. Him said we go lock up in at the resort. The man all tell me which resort to go to that is all inclusive and best for families. Me I tell the youths I can't go to no resort, dog. Because nothing no nice like Jamaica to me. All when them a beg me. You know what I do? Me beg them first. You see when I see them a come? Me start beg them too. What? Give me a thing now. The most of them say is, Bridget, you're funny, you know. But give me a thing now. The foreigner does come from. And you forgive me a thing. I say, nah, dog, me I suffer more than you. I show you don't even know the pressure where I reach man right now. And you see after that, no beggings. Things go on. At the ending of this video, we call Beggy Jamaicans. Although me a school me Jamaican people them we beg to blouse and skirt much and no one get up and go do nothing for themselves. Just feel so them can beg people. And if you check them phone, them have 50 phone number in there with all foreign numbers. And everybody them call a foreign, them beg them something. Them people there. On the video, when me I talk about them people there, I also I said enough respect to the one them will hold it out more time and you have to offer them something. Yes, them keep you abreast and tell you what go on all the time and them not beg you nothing. Them people that deserve everything. You know what I say? So, with that said, SouFLoTV, I'm going to close out the video here. But, here I want to do SouFLoTV. I want to like, comment, share, and subscribe, yes? But more than importantly, I want you to leave some comments down in the comment section. I want you to tell me about your beggy family members, them and friends, them. I want you to tell me how them call you general. How them call you general and my boss when you reach a yard. I want you to tell me how them beg you till you don't have nothing left to get, till you're afraid to go out the door. I want you to tell me how them friend you up and them like you and them call you on a regular basis as long as you send something. But as soon as you stop sending something, what? Nothing on going? No more phone call. When you reach a Jamaica, you can't find them. You say, come carry me go over here, son. Boy, I'm busy, you know, but me check you, you know, and them. Yo, SouFLoTV, man, I'm out of here. I'm not going to keep that one any longer because video. I can talk about this all day. I'm sure some Jamaican people can talk about this all day. One more thing before I go. Hear me, I say. For those of you who live in foreign and you can really send something home and you don't expect the blood clean people to get up at morning time and cook you big breakfast when you come down with your foreign mind and your blood clean foreign body. Don't expect the people to get up and carry you go where you want to go tour out the whole island. Don't expect the people to greet you with a smile and pick you up. What time you coming in from airport? Now come in 9 o'clock and then at 8:30 I wait for you. Don't expect gratitude and don't expect happiness and all them something that when you land. Never give back nothing. And them kind of people that have to carry themselves, go in one of the exclusive hotel them and go spend your money there, so because nobody not glad to see you. Alright? So as much as me I say beggy Jamaicans rare. For the one them at Jamaica will really care about them family, especially when we land, I want to make sure so we don't have to do nothing. Because no dead if we like that. We don't deserve everything. Yes? It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm out of here. Big up on yourself. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace out. Hey, and it's a triple upload weekend. That means I will now get 3 videos before the weekend is over. So I'm going to follow that one here. Hit the like, thumbs up button. Leave your comments. And tune in to the next one, yeah? It's SouFLoTV, man. We out of here. Peace. We just come in from work. I'm tired. I'm going to go sleep. I'm gone.